Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a sway traverse. Now there's a number of ways you can do a sway traverse. We're going to do the simplest basic version so that you're not doing any of the extra variations in the footwork. It's obviously easier to do this in a straight line, but we are going to show you a curved version because it fits in the space we're in, and it gives you an idea of the fact that you can guide where you're going, because you're going to cover some distance when you do a sway traverse. Obviously you need to know how to do a sway already, and you need to be familiar with leading footwork. Apart from that, you're going to be ready to go. So links to those in the description below. The move on its own looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we'll break it down, but the basic principle of what we're going to do is, depending upon where we're trying to go, we're going to walk forwards twice, 1, 2, and we're going to turn and we're going to walk backwards twice, 1, 2. So again, heading that way, 1, 2, backwards, 1, 2, using up as much of the room as I can, forwards, 1, 2, keep turning to join, 1, 2, and then at the end I'm turning to the right to go forwards, forwards. Instead of going back for 2, I just do the sway back, and I'm back at the beginning of a sway, and I can finish the sway as usual. So let's do that with a partner, and we'll see how we get on. So we go semicircle back, wrap into the sway, sway back on the right. Notice there's an offset. My right foot is actually slightly between Karen's feet as opposed to down the side. Okay, then we step back on the left, so the lady is stepping between the guy's feet. So that was back, slowly, back, slowly. Now we're going to go forwards, and guys, we're going to take that right foot out from between the lady's feet so we can come down the side as we all go forwards right, and we're starting to turn to the right as we step forwards left. Using that turn to the right, we can now go backwards. It will take us down the line some more, so we go back right, back left. Now again, guys, round the side with that right foot, we can go where we're intending to head onto the right, turn into the right as we step through onto the left. We now got the 2 backward steps. I'm a little bit tight for space. I could have stretched this out down the line, but I'm just going to curl it round. So we go back, right, back, left. I want to head this way now, so I'm going to come around and forwards, right. As I step left, we're turning to the right, so that when we step back, we're heading down the line some more. Right, left, and we're actually going to turn this time and finish off. So we're going to come around again onto the right, turning to the right, we're going to step onto the left. We're going to use this opportunity to now finish the sway, so instead of going back, back, we just sway and finish off. Away and face, return and back. We'll give you the same thing from the other side so you get the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, wrap, 2, we go back 3, go back 4, we then go forwards for 2, 5, go back for 2, 6, forwards for 2, 7, back for 2, 8, forwards for 2, 1, back for 2, 2, we're now going to go forwards for 2, turning for 3, sway back, 4, away 5, facing 6, return 7 and back 8. It's quite a lot to think about there, but it's basically just carry on down the line, forwards, forwards, rotating so that when we go back, back, it carries us along. So it goes forwards, forwards, back, back, forwards, forwards, back, back. We're actually going to be doing 3 full sets, and then we're going to do our end set. So let's see if it works together. Here we go. 5, 6, a sway, traverse. We go a back, wrap, back, back, forwards, forwards, back, back, forwards, forwards, back, back, forwards, forwards, back, back, forwards, forwards, sway, away, switch hands, return and back. This is in fact one of my favourite moves. It feels really good on the dance floor, and once you have the kind of feel for it, you can use it to weave in amongst the other couples to find your way from one space on the floor to another space on the floor. So well worth getting this one kind of working for you. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and you'll be helping promote everything we do, so thank you everyone who does that. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this move to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.